Welcome, you guys. This is day number 12 of our 12 Days of Christmas giveaway. Final day, final chance to enter. Let's get to it. So today we have one of my favorite brands of all time that I am going to gift to you so you can fall in love just like I have. This is Lancome Cosmetics. It is one of my favorite brands for many reasons. I could go on and on, but I won't bore you with that. I would love for you to try it yourself and fall in love. I'm gonna start with a little bag here. So it's a rose gold bag. It's great for a clutch. It's great for a makeup bag. It's made really nicely. There's nothing, you know how sometimes you get those glitter bags and it's all over your hands? Not with this guy. Inside is a miniature La Vie Belle fragrance. And the tagline for them this year is what makes you happy. What they've done in this little bottle, I can go into detail because I like to do that and it makes it special. Right in here, they made this bottle because it gives a smiley face and it's supposed to bring joy. And so when you look at it, it's always smiling at you. For this whole Christmas season, Julia Roberts, which is the face of La Vie Belle for Lancome, has done a few different commercials and the tagline is always what makes you happy. So hopefully you can have some answers to that. Then to go along with it, I did do a video on this way when I first started, which, gosh, can you believe it's been 30 videos ago? This is La Absolute Rouge in Drama Matte. It is a new formula for Lancome, and I did a review on it when they first launched, and I still love them as much as I did that day. And what I picked up for you guys is one of the limited edition. So normally the case is in black, and if you notice, it's a matte case. I picked this up because I wanted you guys to try it out. If you haven't watched the video on this, I'm gonna put the link up above. You do open these, they're a bullet, and you press down and you open it like that. And this is their Christmas color. I don't know if they're going to be keeping this in the line. It's called Dramatic, and it's beautiful for this time of year. It's beautiful all year round, honestly. So that is what you'd be getting with the little gold bag for our final day. I wanted to keep this one for the last because it's special to me. So even though you may not think it's like the best out of the group, to me it's one of the best for sure out of the group. So I know I said it a few videos ago, but one of my very first cosmetic companies that I worked for was Lancome, and they made such an impression on me. I love what the brand is all about. I love what it stands for. I love that it is luxurious and makes you feel like a woman. How do you get that beautiful bag and lipstick? I'm gonna tell you how right now. One, you need to be subscribed to this channel. Number two, like this video. Number three, comment below. Hopefully you've used Lancome. I mean, even if your mother's used it and you used her lipstick, that counts. Comment below if you've ever used Lancome. And if you wanna throw in an item, you can. Number four, follow on Instagram or Facebook. Details are in the description below. And this is US only. So this is our farewell to our 12 days of Christmas. It's been a great 12 days, and I don't do giveaways all the time, although we do one once a month. I would love for you guys that have joined us just in the past few weeks, stay with me. You know, I'm always reviewing product. I'm giving you the real scoop. I'm not one really to fluff stuff. I'll just tell you what it does. If it works for me, it might work for you and not work for me. You know, that's how it goes. We will pick the winners of these 4 videos Saturday night, so make sure that you're watching Sunday to see if you were chosen. We're gonna close it out. Talk to you soon. Good luck, everyone, and I'll see you on Sunday. Bye-bye.